Here in the shop, we do an awful lot of building on our big projects. And we do something that we call mock-up work. That's where you just kind of get a game plan and a design to see if you like how it's going to look. Well, today we're going to be mocking up a front bumper on our pre-runner. We're also going to be looking at two different styles of headlights to see if we like them and make sure they work perfectly on the pre-runner. Now, a lot of you guys out there don't have a bender, but here's a little tip. You can go to any home improvement store and pick up electrical conduit. It's super cheap and it's super thin, so you can easily bend it over your knee to get your final design. We're using 1 3/4" tubing like we did on the rest of the Ranger and the dies to match. After each pass, we just have to tighten the top die down to increase the radius. We're going to slowly approach the radius and take our time. That way we won't overbend the piece and have to start all over again. Now that we have the basic shape or the mock-up done of the bumper, we got to see how it fits the truck. Now, one of the best tools you can have in your shop for mock-up purposes is a set of jack stands for 3 reasons. 1, you probably already own a set. 2, they're completely adjustable. And 3, they can support pretty much any amount of weight. Well, now that we have the bumper mocked up on the front of the pre-runner, we're going to figure out what kind of lights we want to run. We can run round lights, or I can run a light bar. Well, instead of running out and spending money on both sets, but only using one of them, we're going to show you how to mock a set up using good old-fashioned cardboard. Now I'm using a 6-inch sanding disc we had laying around the shop because it's a perfect circle and it's basically the same size as the lights we think we might run. With the round lights cut out, we're also going to make a template of what the light bar could look like. Now you may be wondering why the cardboard is painted black. Well, our hood is white, and I want an extreme contrast between the two so I can see what both of these look like. Now this is an extremely cost-effective way to see what the front of the truck will look like with a set of round headlights. That looks pretty good from back here. Well, there you go. That was an easy way to do the mock-up on the front end of the truck. And with all of this, we have $0 invested. And if you like it, you can commit to it.